If you want to fix this problem on your YouTube, I will tell you step by step in this video. Just follow me till the end. So first guys, you don't need to open your YouTube, just go and open your settings of your device. Then here search for apps option and open it. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. Search only for YouTube. Open YouTube like this, then scroll down to your phone storage option. So right here, be careful, don't click on clip data, click just on click cache and go back, click on force stop, sorry, not open, here force stop and click OK, and then you have to go to permission and give permission to this, and then go to your battery and allow it on optimized mode as I'm doing right now, and then go to your Play Store, update your YouTube if it's not updated, then go in the restart your phone, and that's it guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.